It's a 3.
3.
And I'm sure you got 3 all the way to 3.5.
3.5.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you got 3 here and you got
3.5, top and bottom. Okay.
And then you just
So-
measure the size of here. Oh, fine. You know more than you think you know.
I don't know, even told the opposite. You don't know
Well,
as
you
much
don't.
as you think you
Do
do.
not listen to those
That's the
naysayers.
size of our map. So that's the size that this is. Okay? We're going to do that same thing. Good, both of them. Okay, that's the size mat we're going to get, and we're going to look here. This looks like the straight side. And how big is it? 21, so we'll cut it off there to save material. This is our real
So
straight
it's your
side.
best edge on the straight
But
edge.
this edge is icky. Don't you want
Right.
to cut this off?
It's fine too.
Yeah,
Okay.
just,
You want?
Yes.
I'm gonna get a good square. This side looks straight, so we're gonna start with that. And
Okay.
I'm gonna straighten this other side up.
Okay.
Okay, get this up out of the way, put this down, get the blade out, make sure it's up tight up to there. I should have took this off. The blade's kind of dull. Okay, so now we got a nice square edge to start with. So I'm going to flip this over like this, just because we know that this is square and this is already square. Now we want you understand this because you've done a lot of that carpentering stuff.
I do need it.
It's just kind of yeah. This is in the way. So now.
So for this whole process, you're just using the straight blade?
You want to make, yes.
For this.
So we want that to be 16. That's going to be that way. Is going to be 16.
Not 20.
No, we're going
That's
to
not
make
the-
that to here. We got one
Oh,
more
okay.
cut to do here.
Gotcha.
Should I get one out?
Yeah, let's get one out. That's really.
So are they different blades then?
Yep, the one he's cutting with is straight, and the other one is at an angle.
Or is it a different blade or is it just the angle?
No.
Oh, different blade.
There's two blades. There's a
Two different
blade here.
blades.
There's a
Okay.
blade here.
Okay,
This is a straight blade. This is an angle blade for cutting the hole.
okay.
And that was 20 the other. And we're gonna put a blade in.
But it's the same type of blade.
Yeah,
Just used for
Just a
different
fresh
purposes.
one because
Yeah.
just at the angles.
it's just
Yeah.
really was pulling hard when I was cutting.
Yeah.
And we get a container for these blades.
I might have the blade out too far too. You don't have to. So it has to be out enough so it cuts through, but I usually have it out. So okay, we got that cut now. We got a 16 by 20. Okay? And so we remember the map you had was
Top and
what?
bottom
here.
is 3.5, and the sides
Okay.
are 3.
So we'll just say this is the top and that's 3.5. And the bottom is 3.5. And the sides were 3?
3.
Okay. Get our piece underneath there so we can.
Wasn't it the other way? Wasn't it 3.5 on the side?
Well, I'm thinking this is up and down, so 3.5.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
top and
okay,
bottom.
okay.
That's what
It
we'll
could
call
be
it. We'll call
whatever.
it that.
Yeah, okay, I was
I mean,
looking
it
at,
could
I
be
was
this
looking at
way.
the other way, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so the sides I'm gonna make, they're 3. It's a little different now because we have to change these as we go. Okay?
Change what?
The
The
measurements.
settings.
Yes,
I'll show
okay.
you that.
Okay,
Okay, now we got that, and this one has to be 3.5, because that's the top and the bottom are the same. So that's the top. And bottom is 3.5. Because you don't want to get the wrong setting there, because otherwise you're going to cut across and into your mat, and then it's going to show and be ugly.
okay.
Okay, so there's 3.5. Just always double check yourself. 3.5, 3. Okay, so the sides are 3, the top and bottom are 3.5. So we're going to just go ahead and cut that. And then we're going to flip it all the way around
Okay, that makes sense.
because we don't want to have the setting be wrong.
Yeah.
Okay? We'll do this one. Push down tight.
Okay,
Okay, now we have to change it.
yeah, your stops, right?
Yep.
Okay,
Now this one goes to 3. This one goes to 3. And this other one's got to go to 3.5.
that's the part that kind of
Yeah, because we're not used to that.
We're not used to that.
Okay, and you can look too. Just look. Yeah, it looks like it's going to be right. Okay, you know, just to make sure. There's been times where I didn't look at it and I regretted it. Check it again. 3, 3, and 3.5.
And that makes sense.
Spin it around and do the other
Oh,
side.
okay. Okay.
It's really, you can, once you get used to it, you
Yeah.
can buzz
Yeah.
right through it.
Look
See?
at that. Isn't that just gorgeous?
Great.
Super.
I'll give you $10 for this.